Today, as I record this, it's January 1st, 2026, New Year's Day, the day when millions of people wake up feeling an intense pressure to completely overhaul their lives. We love the idea of turning over a new leaf and achieving instant perfection. Statistically, however, this approach is a recipe for failure. About 53% of New Year's resolutions fizzle out within 3 months, according to a Forbes survey from 2023. Not good odds. Hey there, it's me, Core, and you're listening to Exercising Self-Control from Fitness to Flourishing. If you've already loaded yourself up with heavy expectations today, I want to remind you that it isn't necessary. The all-or-nothing approach rarely works because it ignores how behavioral change actually happens. In reality, January 1st is just a day like any other. You could have decided to change your life on November 3rd, for example. And I would argue you would have had more success with that mentality because you weren't waiting for a symbolic date to give yourself permission to start. Waiting for a special occasion like a birthday or a holiday to make a decision doesn't actually add weight to your commitment. Real change is simply a choice, but it is rarely a one-and-done event. Some decisions can have immediate and/or permanent consequences. For example, quitting one job to start another. But behavioral changes like eating cleaner or exercising daily are different. These require a series of decisions made over and over again. A while back, I did an episode about an ancient story that captures this perfectly. When Hercules was emerging from boyhood into youth, he went into a quiet place to contemplate his future. There, two mysterious women approached him, Vice and Virtue. Vice promised him everything, pleasure without effort, comfort without struggle. "Choose me," she said, "and I'll lead you down the easiest, most delightful road. Every pleasure tasted, every hardship avoided." Virtue spoke differently. She didn't promise ease. Instead, she said, "Nothing truly good comes without effort. If you want friendship, do good to your friends. If you want excellence, train yourself. Yes, my path demands work, but those who follow me accomplish deeds worth remembering. They become the people they were meant to be." In the end, Hercules chose virtue, but that choice didn't end his journey of virtue. It was only the beginning. His 12 labors, his countless acts of heroism, all flowed from that single decision. Yet, even more importantly, he had to keep making that same choice every moment, every day. He didn't always get it right. He made mistakes and did some truly vicious things. But he had to accept those failures and recommit to virtue over and over again. Your journey will be the same. The difference between those who transform their lives and those who don't isn't that the former never stumble off course. It's that they keep choosing to make their way back onto the path. Just because it's the first day of the year doesn't mean you won't make poor decisions moving forward. The key is to stop putting so much pressure on a single day or a single choice. In every moment, you have the power to recommit to that vision that you hold for yourself. If you stumble, adjust and keep moving toward the person you want to be. You don't need perfection. You just need to keep moving in the right direction. Happy New Year and good luck on your journey. That's it for today. Catch you next time.